Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Benny here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different legitimate Bitcoin websites that are going to pay you free Bitcoin literally for just doing some very, very simple things. One of them will pay you literally for just clicking on a button. They're going to pay you free Bitcoin. You guys are absolutely going to love this. Tons of great value packed right into this video. Also, if you stick with me through this entire video, because you don't want to miss out on anything in this video regardless, but if you stick with me through the entire video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I'm doing to earn up to $10,000 a month in passive income, you guys. Yes, a real life of freedom where you can quit your 9-to-5 and live the life that you've always dreamed of. So if that sounds appealing to you, stick with me through the entire video. Let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, now as promised, the first website that you're going to want to come to is Coinbase.com. Now, the reason that I'm bringing you here first is because this is a crypto wallet, and this is where you buy and sell and hold all of the cryptocurrency that you're going to be earning. And you need to have a place to earn it because you need to have a place to cash out, right? If you were earning free PayPal money, you would need to have a PayPal account. So if you're going to be earning free crypto, just as the same, you would need to have a crypto wallet. Now, Coinbase is one that I highly recommend that you come check out. There are others, but these guys are very, very well liked and highly recommended. And I also wanted to show you a free bonus right up front where you can earn up to $152 worth of free cryptocurrency just for learning about cryptocurrency. Now, understand, this wasn't one of the websites that I wanted to discuss, but I wanted to get you started off on the right foot so that you had a place to actually transfer all of your cryptocurrency to. And I don't want you to miss out on the free $152 worth of free crypto literally for just learning about this. So I'm going to throw this in here as well, just as a bonus, because I want to give you as much value as possible. So get signed up, click on the get started button right up here in the top corner. You'll fill out some information, your name, your email address, all that fun stuff. It doesn't take very long to get signed up at all to create your account. Once you have your account established, you guys, what you're going to want to do is come back to the home page here and click either where it says Get 152 Plus, or you can come down here to where it says Start Earning. And I'm just going to go through this really quickly. Basically, what happens here is they have a bunch of different videos. You see all these ones that are green right here? This is earn $46 of OXT, earn $6 of XTZ, and these are all different types of cryptocurrency right here. Earn $50 of EOS. So you want to focus on the ones that are green. These are the ones that are paying. Any of the ones that don't have this one, these things that say earn on them, are not paying anything. So focus on the ones that are green that say you can earn money. So just for example, what happens here is each one of these are videos, you guys. They're very, very short, 2 to 5 minute videos. You're gonna watch a short video, and then they're gonna give you a very, very easy quiz. You're gonna answer the quiz, and once you answer those quiz questions, they're going to pay you out in the amount that it's worth. So just for example, I'm gonna click on Start Course on the Orchid OXT one right here, and you can see this is a 3-minute video. They're gonna pay you $2 of OXT, another 3-minute video, $2 of OXT, and another 3-minute video. And you can even earn $40 of OXT if you wanna share this with your friends, your family, everybody that you wanna get this out to. They'll give you your own nice little affiliate link that you can go and share. And it's a great way to leverage other people's time, right? So you can do this for every single one that has this earn value over here on the side. And it's a great way to learn about cryptocurrency if you're brand new to this as well. So let's keep this moving. This next website that I want to show you here is called CryptoTab Browser. Now, you can't see it, but I am actually using CryptoTab Browser right now. It looks and feels similar to Google Chrome and Firefox. And basically what this is doing, you guys, is they are paying you literally to use their web browser. The web browser is using some of your computer's resources in the background, and it's mining Bitcoin and earning you Bitcoin for you 100% free, completely on autopilot. As you can see, you get paid for surfing the web. They have up to 10 million users already. And it's just very, very easy, you guys. Blazing fast, lightweight, built-in mining features. And what I love about this the most is they make it very, very easy to transition over. I was very used to Google Chrome, and one of the things that kept me at first from wanting to switch was importing all of the information that I have in Chrome over to my CryptoTab browser, but they have it all built in here for you and make it effortless to import your data from other browsers and synchronize it across multiple devices, you guys, and it's very, very easy to import your bookmarks, your favorites, your history, all of the different extensions, because they have 150,000 different browser extensions, also known as plugins, you guys. So very, very cool, easy way to start earning some free Bitcoin. Literally mine them yourself. It's just a no-brainer, you guys. You have to come check this out and try this. They also have this on your phones. I believe that there's a functionality where you can do this on your phones on Android as well as iOS devices. You can come check that out. But great way to start earning some free cryptocurrency, literally for just browsing the web like you do every single day. Anyways, download the web browser. All you need to do, this is important here, is you need to make CryptoTab Browser right here your default web browser. That way you're always using this. As long as the browser window is open, you are mining cryptocurrency in the background. Up next here, coming in at our number 2 spot, is one of my favorite new ways to earn some free Bitcoin, you guys. I've showed you some other faucets in the past. This is a brand new one, and what I love about this the most is just how clean this is and how easy it is to navigate to this and claim your free Bitcoin. So if you're not familiar with what a Bitcoin faucet is, what they're doing here is you come to this website, and literally at the click of a button, by just clicking I'm not a robot and claim now, they're going to pay you free Bitcoin. Now, the first thing you need to do when you actually arrive on this website is you need to register and sign up. It's very simple. Provide your name, your email address. It took me literally a minute to get signed up, just so that you have an account and you can claim all of your free Bitcoin. Now, it's important that you've already established your Coinbase account, that you're using CryptoTab Browser as well, so that you can make the most Bitcoin possible, you guys, so it compounds, right? Because we need a place to be able to cash out our Bitcoin, and you can make even more Bitcoin using CryptoTab Browser while you're doing this. Now, when you arrive here, and by the way, we're at bonusbitcoin.co, and I will be leaving links down in the description of this video to the websites that we're looking at right now to make it very, very easy for you to navigate over here. Now, when you arrive here, like I said, make sure you've created your account, and what you want to focus your attention on is right here where it says I'm not a robot. You're going to click that button. You're going to hit this claim now button, and as you can see, faucet claim was successful. I just earned 3 Satoshi. Now, pay close attention here. There's a few key points that I want to point out about bonusbitcoin.co, the faucet that we're looking at right now. As you can see, there's a timer down here at the bottom. So every 15 minutes, you can come back here and claim your free Bitcoin and go through the same scenario that I just did. At the click of a button, claim your free Bitcoin, right? But you can earn up to 5,000 Satoshi every 15 minutes. You just watched me earn 3. There's a possibility that you can earn up to 5,000 every time that you click on that button right there. And the more that you come back here and click and claim your free Bitcoin, they're going to give you a 5% daily bonus on top of the Satoshi that you're already earning. So really cool, easy way to start claiming some free Bitcoin, literally just at the click of a button. And they also have some other hidden gems right up here at the top. You can play this roll a dice game right here and earn Bitcoin that way. And you can also do some different offers and some surveys if you're into stuff like that about sharing your opinion, and earn Bitcoin that way as well. So tons of great opportunities, very, very simple, beginner-friendly ways to start claiming free Bitcoin right here on bonusbitcoin.co. And now last up here, coming in at our number 1 spot, we have Feature Points, you guys. And now I have to list this as number 1 just because it's so well liked, reputable, and it pays out in Bitcoin, you guys. As you can see, you can earn up to $10 of United States Bitcoin over and over and over again for all the points that you accumulate right here on Feature Points. And they have tons of different great ways to earn points on here. We'll go over that in just a moment. But I wanted to point something out that's important, and this is why I set you up with Coinbase right in the beginning of this video, is that you have to have a Coinbase account established so that you can transfer all the Bitcoin that you earn on Feature Points back to your Coinbase account. That's why you have to have that wallet established. So make sure that you've already done that. Now, if you don't want Bitcoin, that's fine. That's what this video is all about. But you can also earn PayPal cash. You can get free Visa gift cards. You can also get all these other different gift cards as well. They have Amazon gift cards. They have Walmart gift cards down here at the bottom. Nike's, Macy's, GameStop if you're into gaming, eBay. And the list just keeps going on. Come check these out, you guys. But as you can see, there's just tons of great ways to earn points on this website. Whenever I have some downtime and I want to just fill that time and earn some extra points, I come right here to Feature Points, you guys, because it's reliable, it's 100% legit. So you can be taking surveys, you can complete some offers, you can do your shopping on here and earn cash back. You can enter into sweepstakes. You can also download applications on your phone, test those out and try them. If you don't like them, simply delete them, but earn points that way as well. I know I'm guilty of this. I love just downloading different applications for whatever reason and testing them out. It just gives my phone a different functionality, and it's just cool, you know? Some of these are even games. You can come on here and play games games on your phone and get paid for that as well. And then what I highly recommend that you do is that you come on here and you share your affiliate link right here. You can simply click on copy right here. You can go paste this on all of your social media, or they've already done it for you. You can click on these buttons where it says share on Facebook, share on Twitter, or share in your email, and it'll simply populate in your social media accounts. And at the click of a button, you can share your affiliate link. And now everybody that signs up and uses Feature Points, you're going to get 50% of their points. So another great way to earn even more free Bitcoin. I wanted to show you this over in the Google Play Store if you're thinking about using this on your devices. So 115,880 people have given a review, 4-star rating right there. So people absolutely love this. They also have this available in the iOS store as well, Apple App Store, you guys. So come check this out, Feature Points. And again, I've left a link down in the description of this video to everything that we're discussing today. Now, I want to be completely honest and transparent right now. Everything that we discussed and reviewed today was 100% legit. It's a great way to earn some extra free Bitcoin. But I want to be real with you, and I just want to be honest and let you know that it will not make you rich. You're not going to get rich with the websites and apps that we discussed today. Now, if you do desire to be someone that becomes financially free and you want to be able to quit your 9-to-5 and earn passive income and start an online business and literally have a life of freedom, and do the things that are most important to you, whatever that is, if it's staying home with your kids so you can drop them off, so you can go to their sports, maybe spend some time with your spouse, whatever your hobbies are, maybe it's fishing, right? I don't know what you like to do, but I want you just to imagine a life of freedom where you didn't have to clock in every day and punch somebody else's time clock to make them rich. You need to start your own online business, literally, and work for yourself where you can work anytime you want and grow an online business, you guys. If you're not paying attention to what's going on in the world right now, which is very, very bad, and there's just tons of really bad things happening, but online businesses are thriving. So it's so important to see the value in creating an online business. And what's best about this is you can create passive income, you guys. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's where you get paid over and over and over again for doing things once. So if you want to do what I'm doing online and you want to create your own online business and you want to get started and you want to, not waste your time, waste your money, because understand one thing, I spent 15 years fumbling around trying all kinds of different crazy businesses and wasting my time and my money. And what's most important to me is that I give you the source and tell you exactly what works and what's honest and what has integrity. Now, the website that we're on right now is Legendary Marketer, you guys, and I've left a link down in the description of this video. It's at the very top. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. This is how you can copy exactly what I'm doing to make money online, you guys. It's an exact blueprint and you can do the exact same thing. So it's a 15-day business challenge, and as you can see right over here on the side, it breaks it down day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all the way down to day 15. Now, the first thing that you want to do on day 1, once you get signed up, is you want to come right over here and you want to click where it says schedule now. Schedule your business call with your mentor, because they're going to be your expert. They're going to show you exactly what you need to do to get through the 15-day business challenge that you see right over here. And they're going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do. When I was trying to make money online, that's what I was after, you guys. Just a winning formula, someone that was an expert that was going to show me exactly what I needed to do. I was just going to copy what already worked, and that's exactly what you can do today. So I'm going to stop rambling here. If you're serious about a real life of freedom and you want to be an entrepreneur, this is where it starts right here. That's all I have for you today. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.